We are nearing St. Patrick's Day, so why not switch up a bit and do some holiday-themed science projects this year?
Mr. Science himself, Jason Lindsay, is back with another collection of fun activities. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. You know, the big holidays around the corner. Don't forget to wear your green, by the way. And I have a few of those experiments to do with the kids that includes ingredients from around the house. Do you have a favorite experiment for I almost said Thanksgiving, wrong holiday, right? St. Patrick's Day?
Well, it's more of an adult version. I just like seeing the beer turn green.
Yes, that one's not for kids though, right?
That's right.
Yeah, not
That's
at all.
right.
Let's start with something, you know, if you're finding a lot of green, slimy stuff at your house, you either have a sick kid or you have a leprechaun. I don't know which would be more fun, a leprechaun or a kid. What would you prefer?
A leprechaun, actually, than a sick kid.
Yeah. So let me show you the experiment, Cam. And what I have here basically is some glue, clear glue with some food coloring. And you'll notice as I pick it up with my fork here, it's easily sliding past each other, the smaller pieces that make this up, until I pour in an activator. And once I pour in an activator and mix this up, we get a batch of leprechaun snot. Look at that. Doesn't that look gross?
It's magically delicious.
Yeah.
You know, it is glue, and I had my share of eating glue as a kindergartner, but by all means, don't eat your science experiment, kids. Make sure that you have an adult around and wear the appropriate safety gear when doing science. Pretty cool experiment. Just don't make a big mess around the couch. This stuff does get on your clothes as well. The bottom line is it's a fun experiment that lots of kids have already been doing when it comes to making slime there at the house. Okay, how about this? Do you have a rainbow in your bowl of cereal?
I do not.
But we're willing to try.
Yes.
There's no pot of gold at the end of this rainbow. Let me show you the experiment, Cam, one more time. I have some whole milk here, and what I'm going to do is put blobs of food coloring onto my milk. And what we're going to do is make these blobs of food coloring kind of run everywhere by using something that you may have right there at the kitchen sink called dish detergent. So I'm going to go ahead and put the red, the blue, the green, and then next I'm going to dip this gigantic cotton swab into some soap, and then I'm going to touch. So eyes on this and watch what happens. Do you see that?
Wow.
It's starting to run from each other, and you're starting to get a rainbow, whoa, of different colors right there in your breakfast cereal. Now this one, it's milk by all means, most likely. You're going to have cereal in the bowl. It's okay to drink that, but typically we don't eat or drink our science experiment. We have time for one more, or are we out of time?
No, let's do it.
So why not create all kinds of rainbows shooting right there through your kitchen, like where I'm at, or for that matter, maybe in your living room. I grabbed my wife's hair dryer this morning. Think she really blow dries her hair with this? Okay, all joking aside, this is why my hair looks so scientific. But I do have a leaf blower that's going to blow out air like at a Category 1 hurricane right here. And then I have some streamers. You know, the colors of the rainbow are Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I have some of those colors right here. Watch the rainbow in my kitchen.
That's cool.
You could do that.
The boys would like.
Yeah.
Wow, I've got the whole camera covered up there. I promise I'm here. But yeah, you can create a rainbow right there in your kitchen. Pretty
Very
cool, right?
Yes.
Very
And real
cool.
quickly, where can people find you if they want to try some more experiments?
Well, you can get a free experiment, all kinds of free stuff. There's an archive there of holiday experiments. You know, after that, Easter's coming up at hookedonscience.org. Find me on Twitter, all the social media. Just look for HOS Mr. Science.